playing around in the cold weather, seeing how the different equipment handles. I'm gonna go ahead and start the old antique log splitter up. About as cold as it gets here. That motor's reading anywhere from 0 to 1 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's pull it out, fire it up. Hopefully we'll get started and see how that fluid handles with running that ram up and down here near 0.
I used to have ISO 46 fluid in here, which should have worked well in the cold, but it struggled really bad actually. What we're seeing in here right now is VP brand J20A utility tractor fluid. I just picked that up from TSC, 5-gallon bucket on sale. It seems to be doing much better than the old fluid. Each stroke, the ram speeding up. So definitely looking forward to using this here in the winter. So yeah, comment below if you happen to have one of these old log splitters and want to see any other videos about it. Just let me know. Yeah, be sure to give a video a thumbs up if you liked it. And always happy to have another subscriber join me to travel along with whatever I happen to be fixing up. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.